Today we're getting into Lisp, how to make a Lisp, and how it can make your CAD workflow easier and more efficient. So first thing we need to know is what exactly is a Lisp, and it's basically a simplified programming language for AutoCAD that allows you to automate tasks and combine commands for some real useful, I like to call them combo commands. This will make some simple but repetitive tasks a lot easier and will most likely boost your efficiency when working in AutoCAD and your entire workflow. So now that we know what a Lisp is, I'll create one, load it into CAD, and show you how to execute it. So first thing we need to do now is open up a notepad file. So here I have one ready. The Lisp that we're going to be typing in today is going to be Zoom Extents. It's not all one command in CAD, but with a Lisp, you can make it all one command by typing it out here. So I'm about to type it in for you real quick. Okay, so now that your Lisp is typed out, you want to save as this notepad file to a just somewhere where you keep all of your CAD stuff. For example, I'll just type in Lisp video and double click in there, and we can save this as whatever we want the command to be. So let's just say Zoom Extents Lisp, and then we'll save it there. Also, a little note, the characters you put here right beside your defund C colon, this is what you'll be typing into your command bar to execute the Lisp. So that's very important. Make sure it's nice and simple. It's custom, so you can do whatever you want there. I just do it close to what it's gonna, be in the CAD command and what it's gonna do. So I just went with ZE in this case. Anyways, we want to exit that out, and we want to come up here to our folder. We want to double click in here, open this tab, and we want to rename this file's extension. So if you don't have file extensions on here, or you don't see them, you'll go to View, Show, and then File Name Extensions. Make sure that's checked. Alright, so when you see this, you want to rename this TXT to LSP for Lisp. Hit Enter. It'll ask you if you want to change the name extension, whatever. If you want to change it, hit Yes. Alright, now you have your LSP file. Alright, we're back in AutoCAD. Now that we have our Lisp created and the file name extension changed to LSP, it's time to create or load a drawing and get this loaded up into your drawing. So for example, I'm just going to create a drawing here, and you want to type in app load, and that'll bring up your load unload applications tab. Now you want to navigate to where you saved your Lisp at. So in this case, we're going to go to Lisp video. It should be in there. You want to click it once and hit load. It will then ask, this file isn't verified, security measure, is this a trusted folder? Whatever it is, usually say always load. So we'll click always load. ZE Lisp is successfully loaded, so we can close this now. Alright, now the command that Zoom Extents is it zooms the tab out to show everything that's in the drawing, no matter how far zoomed out you are or how far zoomed in you are. So I'll give an example of that here. So let's just draw a couple things. It's just your drawing or whatever's in your drawing. Just a very useful command for me. So now that we have all this drawn, it should zoom to the very extents of everything, somewhere around here. No matter how far zoomed out I am or zoomed in I am. So let's run the command. Should be ZE. And there it goes. It zooms to the exact extent of everything that is in your space Very, very useful command in my opinion. But that is basically how you write a Lisp, load it into CAD, and then execute the Lisp with your custom command. If you have any questions or anything else or any other video ideas, just let me know. But I appreciate your time, and God bless.